Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Welcome back to my space. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Ella Alfred and you're welcome to my channel. Also, as you can tell by the title, today is going to be an interesting vlog because we're going to the Onitsha Main Market to shop for some skincare products with 100,000 naira. So in this vlog I'll be showing you guys what I was able to get or what 100k can get in this present economy. So basically I have to board a bus first. I'm just at the junction trying to board a bus to main market. So this is Ose Market. Ose Market is kind of close to the Onitsha Main Market. So I just had to stop here because I saw a shop that sells skincare and I've heard about them. I just wanted to go and check it out to see if they will have what I want. So yeah, this is the shop I saw. It was so filled with cosmetic products, but unfortunately, they don't have the skincare products I actually wanted. They just have random stuffs, but not exactly what I wanted, like the serums and those kind of things. They don't have it, so I just had to leave the shop. Then I decided to check out another store in the market, and wow, I just love the sight of skincare. I don't know. I started checking out some products, and yeah, like taking a look around the shop to see if there's anything I can buy from here. The one thing that scares me most about skincare is, or anything like buying anything in general, is not buying or buying the fake, because I don't like buying fake, especially when it comes to skincare, because I know how bad it can be for the skin. So at first I didn't like going to the market to get my skincare products, especially in a very large market, because most people will sell fake to you. But with time I started getting comfortable with some people that I've bought from them before and discovered that they don't sell fake. So that's just one thing about skincare. Okay, you have to trust your vendor to know that okay, this person is not selling fake to me. So I basically bought soaps from this my guy. Like I bought soap from this my vendor. I've heard so much about drip. Like I've heard so much. So I decided to try it out and get some for myself. I'm someone that likes buying soap in a very large quantity, like in packs. I don't like buying soap one. You get, so I just bought, like, it has just 2 packs and it has the other ones half. I was like, okay, just give me all the drip soap in your shop, because I don't know what Nigeria is turning into now. Before I come tomorrow and people have increased price, just give it to me. So I bought drip soap from him, and yeah, that was it. Then after I was done in Ose Market, I headed to Main Market. Like I said, from Ose to Main Market is just 100 naira, like 100 naira keke. So this was me in Main Market, heading to um the place that I'm going to go check out. It gets, there's like this main market is sectioned. The people that sell cosmetics, hair, those stuff, and there's a part of it where you say clothing and everything. So I'm heading to the cosmetic part of main market. I don't really know if the place I'm going to, like, that particular section is, but I know it's mostly cosmetic and skincare and hair care and everything. But I don't know if it's like the only section that sells skincare, because I've not really thought this market. Like I said, I don't enjoy going to the market, but when it comes to my skincare, of course, I have to enjoy going to the market. It's something I love doing. So yeah, this just me feeling myself. It was really weird shooting this day. People were just looking at me like, what's this girl doing? So I got to the third shop for today, and hmm, they had everything. Like, they have everything. Okay, they don't have pimple patches, but basically they have all the UK Paris and all the stuff that I like seeing. So this is me just bargaining price and asking him to allow me check out some products and comparing some products. And of course I have to bargain price. This is Nigeria. So this is me still like checking out products. And yeah, I at the end of this video I did an unboxing. So if you want to see everything I bought, you can just stay tuned and just watch to the end of the video so I can see everything I bought. So this was all I was able to get in the market. Like, in this particular shop I got all of this in this particular shop, and after that I went back home to rest because it was hectic. One thing, yeah, I went to the market late, so when I finished from the market it was almost closing time. The market here closes by 5 p.m. So yeah, basically I was happy that I was able to get some products, and the products I was able to get products that I've been dreaming of having. You get, so I was so happy, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. So these are some of the products I was able to get for the price, for almost 100,000 naira, because I didn't spend up to 100,000 naira getting all of this. First off, we have the vitamin C healthy bright, and we have the balanced vitamin C serum, and we have the team vita B3 sauce, and we also have the advanced nail 92 all-in-one cream. We have the advanced nail 96 power essence, and I got some face masks, to try out. And then I got Tinkle. I want to shield my face, open my eyebrow, stuff like that. So yeah, this is all I was able to get for almost 100,000 naira in this economy. So let's get right let's get right into the unboxing. Um so I'm going to be starting with this. We have this. I've been dreaming of this. Like, I've been wanting to own this. I've been wanting to own this for the longest time, and oh my god, I've been seeing these reviews. Just look at actually this thing that I used to do. So yeah, finally I got this. It's so nice. I can't wait to try this product out, and to also give my review about them, because I've watched so many reviews and heard so many reviews about it. I can't just wait to try it out. I also have the advanced nail 96. I was supposed to open this one and show you guys how it looked like, the consistency, but I cannot waste product. This is expensive, please. I also got the balance vitamin C serum. This is what it looks like. I think it's a 30 ml, so it's quite small, but I'll manage it. Then I got this baby right here. Hmm, this beauty, this beauty, it's so fine. Okay, let me just show you guys. This is what it looks like. I can't wait to try out all these products and give my reviews about it. This one I've been using it for the longest time, so I already know what it does. I love this body cream so much, and yeah. Then we got face masks. I love face masks so much, and when I saw this, I just knew I have to get face masks. I got three, so I'll try it out and see how it's work. It is good. Then I got Tinko. So these are all the products I was able to get for almost 100,000 naira in this present economy. I can't wait to try out these products, especially these three, because they are the popular ones here. Especially these three, I can't wait to try them out and then give my reviews about them. So, if you're interested in my review or you want me to review this product, just stay tuned because that is the next video I'm going to upload. My review about this product. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching to this very end. In case you want any of these products, I can help you get them. Just show interest in the comment section, then I'll follow up from there. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, and also comment your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much. Bye.